Right, before I start doing it, I just wanted to show you something. This is me primer gum, which is a bit grubby. It is actually clean inside, but yeah, because of the light, I bought myself this little light which attaches to the front of the gun. So I'm going to give it a go and see how I get on with it. It's not going to be as bad as when I've done the engine bay, because I've put, even though these lights are only 12 volt, it is a lot lighter in here than what it used to be. It's actually quite good. I've basically put a caravan charger in my car and put a battery in the boot of there, so it just charges it up while I'm driving about. So when I come over here, I just hook it on here and we've got light. Anyway, let me just put this on here and I'll show you. Let's see what it looks like. As you can see, just clamps on there, so obviously it goes on any gun, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap a bit of cling film or something around the lens, because I can't imagine it's going to be very easy to keep clean. But yeah, it's rechargeable, and yeah, let's switch it on and have a look. And try and get the gun down without dropping on the floor. Right, so when I'm in there, yeah, I think that's going to help a lot. Right, cool, let's not kill the battery. Let's